This trick is simple. You just go right here and then you press the settings, go to settings, and then on theme you just press this option and then you choose what you want to change it into. I put it on deep purple. You can put it on FL Studio, it looks like this, and you can put it on paper. I like paper, that's my favorite, so I'm gonna put it on paper, but I don't put it every time. Yeah, as you can see, it looks like paper. Now you can change colors by doing this, pressing it hard and changing it, going to channel settings and change the color like this. You see this yellow one right here? I'm gonna press it hard, channel settings, and I'm gonna go choose red, my favorite color, red. Yes. Now if you don't know how to make melodies, this is your tip. You press the keyboard thing right here and then you choose the note that you want to use, G minor, and then you add some notes. This is a right note, wrong note, right, wrong, right, wrong. Now you can make a melody out of this. Now the next one is a little bit different. You just put a note on top of your note, and then you press it hard, and then go to more, and then press twiddly slide, and it's gonna look like this. And then you add another one, and then it sounds like that. That is a slide note. Don't forget to go check out my latest beat that I made. Don't go.